Everyone needs a place where they can belong, without fear and free from judgment.
Where you can be friends with people with one heart and one mind.
Intrigued with one purpose, a place that matters.
Stand with us in audacious faith, living the life you are destined to live.
Let's speak life with a warm prayer of our hearts and consideration.
We are the church, the heart of the earth.
See, the presence of God is active and our hearts are fixed.
I Heart Worship Forever campaign is an initiative to merge the music with evangelism, a way to show the people that Christ is as close as the mention of his name.
So from our hearts to yours, to all who have maybe given up and feel lost.
Experiencing hurt or just don't know what's next yet, we the church are as resilient as ever.
And everybody needs a little more Jesus, some real hope.
Set your calendars for October 19, 2013. Right here in DC, it's gonna be big.
It's evangelism, love, music, and power.
So let's band together for this mission of prayer, evangelism, and worship. For more information, go to facebook.com/worshipforever. On Twitter, it's just @worshipforever. Instagram, @worshipforever.
I Heart Worship Forever.
I Heart Worship Forever.
I Heart Worship Forever.
I Heart Worship Forever.
I Heart Worship Forever the most.